Tozani bokhokho nomkholisalo wasendodana sigogo bathini bathi uma uvula kuvale emzini manye amadoda. U-Anti Usha, your number one locksmith. Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. Se-Nedbank Cup. Asazi ukuyozala ngomoni. Asazi ukuthi kuyozala ngomoni, asazi. It's one of the big games. You know when these big games play, that's when you see the love in people. You know, they always gives the meaning, the proper explanation of the word entertainment, the word happiness. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. But I want to use today's game specifically as a topic for the day. And again, I would like us to use our sober minds in tackling this video. I want to talk about friendship. Friendship and friendship and friendship. Firstly, I think most of us, we don't understand the word friendship. What does it mean? And that's why we end up being bitter about things that we're not supposed to be. I'll give an example. It must be an extraordinary colleague, a person, an individual that goes beyond the duty call that you can call a colleague, or rather that you can call a friend. Yes, you can have a friend in a workspace, but you call that person a friend because you both go beyond the duty call in being there for each other. Not them being there for you, for being there for each other. Kamina gawena. You both do what it takes to justify the word friendship. That is a friend. And that person is going to be different compared to just an ordinary person that you are there to deliver your duties, to execute your duties. It takes an ordinary homeboy, homegirl to call a friend. They're not your friend. You are not their friend just because of you grew up in the same township. You know each other very well. It ends there. You're not friends. You commune every day together. You are in the same lift club. You're normally in the same taxi, the same bus, the same train, the same flight, or the same room at night as witch doctors. You just commune together. You're not friends. A friend is a person who will say, guys, hold on. There must be something wrong with him. Normally, she's here by this time. Let me call her. I'm talking about a friend now that you commune with. A person that is beyond you. It's beyond just you communing together. Somebody who you can just say, and then guys, so we need to be late at work because of Ubatin. No, guys, no, it's not fair. Let's go. Because Batin is not your friend. Not that Batin hates you. No. Yes, it's true. We cannot be late at work because of Ubatin is late. But if Ubatin is a friend of one of us, that person is going to pick up their iPhone and call Ubatin to say, Bafo, ukuphi, seyahamba imoto. Are you with me? I don't know if you were in the same page. But somebody would make an effort because of they're talking to a friend. And a friend will say, I would rather be late or not going to work. There is something wrong with him. There's something wrong with my friend. I know her for a fact. No, guys, you can go. I'll wait for her. Then you wait and then you see there's something wrong. Then you make means to go and look for them. And sometimes only find out maybe they're sick or they're late or they don't have money for transport. They didn't want to tell you. But so they say, because you know we've got each other. That's a friendship. Something that is beyond just you guys coming together, just you guys working together. We cannot be angry at somebody's action just because of you saying, and uyangazi. I'm surprised why they do this because he knows me. Yes, they know you, but you're not friends. You are not friends. I'm going deep with this. It's just that I'm trying to gather momentum. I'm trying to gather strength to deliver what I'm going to deliver because to me it's heavy. Again, I see these things every day. I'm human. I stay in the community. I see these things. I grew up seeing these things. I still seeing them now. My brother, we're not working. We are sitting at home. Yeah? Full time. However, do you know this friend who will always come and make sure ukuthi uyakuthengela and you get drunk or you get high? That one friend or two friends or group of friends. Do you know those kind of friends? They will go an extra mile in making sure ukuthi they buy you booze. And trust me, they will also make sure ukuthi they're using the same strength ukuthi they bring you down or they keep you where you are. They can buy you booze every weekend. They can organize girls every weekend. They can organize guys every weekend. However, they can make sure that between Monday and Friday, they make sure that they close you up because they enjoy being above you. You are okay, lapha phansi. Wena uhleli lapha phansi. How many of us have we ever lost our jobs? And the same person worse, omunye, you are the one that made them to be employed there. But you call them, brazo, awuzame noma nge-airtime. Hayi bathini ukrent show bafo niyongizobela kuwe bafo ma-stress so shandu wena mfowethu dakiwe. They do that. You call again, they cancel. You call again, they cancel. You call again, they cancel. Why? It's a signal. Ukuthi they want nothing to do with you. You have done your best. You have done your duty to put them at work. Now they don't care about you. Even if you didn't put them at work, it's not their problem or you are no longer working. And it's true. It's a truth that you don't want to accept. Then we get angry. How many of us that have those friends? A friend can buy you booze, not just booze like a lot of booze for you to get drunk. But you go with a business idea to a friend to say, hey, yes, Bafo, I've learned how to make cups. And it's very easy, Bafo. All I need is to get this machine. It just costs 2,000 Rand. If I can get that machine, I'll hustle for the material. Because this thing is using a recycled material, whatever, I'll hustle, my brother. Oh, if you can just help me to get this, it's just to stay in my out. No, Bafo, don't worry. We will talk. No, don't worry. 2,000, how you know, Bafo? 2,000, what is 2,000? No, don't worry. Boom, 3 months later, if you calculate, just you and them, they've spent at least 20,000 on you, just when you were there. You don't even know want to calculate when you were not there, how much they have spent. But they cannot give you 2,000 Rand to buy that machine. How many of us that went through or are going through a situation whereby you don't even have money for data, let alone to apply? Because you apply for something that is advertised, that you have seen, just for you to check what is happening. Eh? How many of us have you scrolled in your phone and scrolled and look at the names and say, going to Seven Zago, he works there, I've done this for them, what. Yeah, I still have a number. Because let me call about you, Atiame, yeah, but yeah, kunjani mfethu? Hayi, sharp mfethu. Skipper. Aye, but maybe the last time they saw you, you were well off. Then they are free to tell you, no. I'm now what in this company, what in Pusha, so. I only have a grand for I've just bought my wife a car, what. There's a for you, man. Lucky for you, man. No, man. Hey, on my side, things are not well, man. Hey, please, man. Hook me up with something or with someone, man, if you have something. Turn off to them. They'll never call you again. How many of your friends are well off today because of they know of a healer somewhere? Somebody helped them to be better in life, but they don't want to refer you or just give you a plaque. Bafo, I know you're praying, Bafo. Bafo, I know you are the prayer. You are the worshiper, Bafo. I know, Bafo. And I respect that, Bafo. But, Bafo, this is the world, Bafo. Look at things the other way, Mjita. Mjita, try other things. How many of us that have those individuals? How many of us? Or it's just a matter of us enjoying to be where we are? How many of us that are connected with the relevant people at work, but they cannot connect us with those people, but they will tell you, my friend, there's this guy in Sebenzin, I've just found out what he's singing. I know Zoktanda, my friend. Then she goes to the guy and say, wena nguthandela umngani wami. Kancane kancane, wena with my friend, you can be good partners. Then one day, they show you the picture of the friend. The guy is interested. Your friend hooks you up with the guy. Then you have more problem. The guy sleeps with you, leaves you with a baby. You have more problems now. And you are not working. You had a child already. Now you have 2 or 3 or 4 children that are not working. All the fathers of these children, you were plugged by your friends, because they enjoy seeing you where you are, a baby manufacturer. That's what you are to them, and it ends there. How many of us do we have such? How many of us do we have such? We're still in Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates, Amabhakabhaka against Amakhosi. Orlando Pirates against Kaizer Chiefs. The volume is okay, Angit. I think you understand the tone, the different tone. you know. It's like when they say men decide. They cannot say women decide. No, men decide, ladies decide. So Orlando Pirates decide, Kaizer Chiefs decide. Do you remember when you couldn't even afford to go for an interview and you called everyone you know on your phone? You buzzed everyone, you sent a WhatsApp to everyone you know, you went to speak to everyone you know. No one was willing to assist you to go for a job interview. You have hustled yourself, you save data. Sometimes you're using a night shift data for you to send those CVs and everything. Now there's an opportunity for you to go for a job interview. No one helped you. Not even your family members that helped you. Do you know that? Okay. Nedbank Cup is taking place. Lishilo. Konje igame namhlanje iNedbank angithi? Okay. Nedbank Cup is playing or is taking place in Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. Durban, KZN. You have never been in KZN. You have never been in Durban in your whole life. The same bloody friend whom refused to give you money for a job interview locally, or the job interview was in Durban. They said, no, but I cannot take a day off. I don't have leave days. I cannot drive you to Durban, and I'm using this car to go to work. I cannot borrow you my car either. But the same friend says to you, Asame sopoga ipagapaga ishai Chiefs asivaye impinjam. The same friend is driving 700 kilometers and back another 700 kilometers or whatever kilometers, depend where you are, just for you to go and have fun and to stamp your life, or to weld your life to where it is, to be there, to continue to be there permanently. What kind of a friend is that? I know what I'm talking about. I received a WhatsApp at night. Yazi gogo lento azokhuluma ngayo about these friends of mine. Umjida phela uthi asambe seThekwini siyobuka iPirates neChiefs. The same Jide bengutshena ngaye, who was ignoring my calls when I wanted to go to submit a tender document which was supposed to be submitted by hand. He refused. And I told him that I'll sleep at home. I have a family that side. He refused. But now he says, let's go. Plus, ngihlanganise ney'ngane. Yo. Guys, I don't know when are we going to stop thinking and functioning with our throats and with our zips as guys. Listen, if they tell you about booze and they tell you about the girls, I'm telling you, it is true that the mind goes to sleep immediately. Then the dick gets to job, goes on duty. Now you are jajara, uya papa, you run. And you are proud to tell your family, ngihamba nabangani bami, siye eThekwini, siye eDurban, siye eDurban. So spitting ingane. You are so excited you're going to Durban to watch Chiefs and Pirates. They even bought you a shirt, a t-shirt for Orlando Pirates. You are so excited they bought you a shirt. You don't have a formal shirt for an interview. They were laughing at you, which you don't even have a shirt for interview, but you've got that t-shirt that is that of Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs. And you call that person a friend. According to you, that person is a friend. That person knows a person that can change your life instantly. A person that can change your life now. They know of a pastor, othandaza, you can swear ukuthi you'll see Jesus Christ or Rushembe coming inside here. That's how powerful that pastor prays. But they won't take you there because they don't want you to be in the same level with them. And when you call them your friends, they are not your friend. They don't refer you as your friend. They refer you as, I know that lady who grew up together. I know that guy who grew up together. That's why we get confused when we go to the healer and you get to Kokobatinibata and you say to Sarwasendot, Sarwasendot, hey, Abangara ma'am, they are progressing in life and everything, you know. Now I want to change my life. I want to see myself driving a nice car. Nami bangbo and guti, you know, nami ngumchita and everything. You are wasting your time. You are impressing people that don't give a damn about you. The people you are impressing, they don't care about you. Lalela, ngithi, the people that you want to impress don't care about you. That's why Muti goes to the wrong direction. Guys, no, we sometimes blame Muti that Muti doesn't work. Muti works with you. Muti will never work alone. Let me give you a typical example. You want to change your life. You've got this person that gives you Muti to change your life. You are using this Muti, but you still keep friends that you know for sure, Uguti, they are not progressive in life themselves. Sometimes you are not going where we want to go because of the people you are hanging around with. Mina, I will never hang around with a person I cannot lift up. Mina, I love lifting up people. Mina can always see something good in people. But for try this, but for do this. This can look nice on you. Buy this and everything. But they are friends that they want to leave you there. So you went when you got to the Muti, you went there, you got the best prayers ever. They gave you this prayer, Lalela. When that Mfundisi touched you, you felt the Holy Spirit. You felt it. But still you hang around with the same group of people because you got your agenda wrong. Wena you want to be successful so that uzonyesa abangani bakho. You want to be successful so that you can prove a point to your friends, so that you can boast to your friends the same way they were boasting to you. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Forget it. You're wasting your time. And guess what's going to happen? You will go, if not remaining, at the same place again. You will go back, if not remaining, to the same spot again. Then they will remind you, who did you think you are? Then you don't have answers. I like using these days whereby there's a business of something and everything. How many people do you know who have made sure that guy who wouldn't be a counselor if I wasn't there? That person wouldn't be an MMC if I wasn't there. That counselor wouldn't be a mayor if I was not there. There's a guy, it's not a guy, Babu Msimango. Babu Msimango. And I've spoken to him about this. If it happens, you mention my name. Mtia, don't stress. Babu Msimango, what a humble man, was in exile with one of the presidents in South Africa. Because they're all presidents. President is a president forever. was in exile with one of the presidents. They've shared the same space, same room, shared the same frustrations, and they've been there for each other. I liked that part because we like saying that they were there for me or I was there for them, and as if Bona they didn't do anything for you. So I love the twist that says we were there for each other. I knew there's something in him, but I won't lie to say I knew he was going to be a president. But I knew there was something in him, and I always encouraged him to say, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do that. But when they got power, the previous week I was with them. Koka, now I'm not talking about the previous when we were in exile together. No, the previous week I was with them at my place. But as soon as they became president, I was no one. There are friends like that. Koko, I didn't say to him, I want to be a deputy president. No. I gave up politics long time ago. All I wanted, or all that I want, is to work. I remember sending him, we never had a hair president. I remember sending him a message saying, at least if you can try to hook up one of my children to work, things will be fine. Nothing. How many of us do we know people in places and we know each other? Yes, today we're not talking about the negative stuff to say, yeah, it's because sometimes if you help somebody, they betray you, what. No, we're not there. We're just talking a general help. How many people? How many people? I went to ShopRite the other day, and whereas we were paying, there's this lady in front of me. She had a small she ordered he called a small milk, baby's milk, infant's milk, milk, and the money was not there. She borrowed a card. I gave a card. Nominal card, my points. I gave a points card, and still the money was not there. I think she was short for around 10 rand. Then I gave her 10 rand. But I liked what the teller did. The teller said, "Oh, sebenzi," and she said, "I am sebenzi," with a very, calm voice, very sad voice. "No, I'm not working." And she said, "Kancane, what's your name?" And then this lady mentioned the name, and the teller said to me, "Buti kancane nje, yaboy." And she went not far. She raised the hand because there was a lot of bars in calling supervisors. Then the supervisor came to her, and then she said to the supervisor, "This is my friend I was talking about. Look at now, Uxolisolo Putilona with 10 rand. She doesn't have work, Haibo. Please, how omzame." And then the supervisor said, "Okay, see me when you're done here." Done. She got a job. They don't know each other. Lalela, they don't know each other. The introduction was done in me. Hayi mina ngihlala endaweni ethize, hayi singabangani, mina befunda endaweni ethize ukuthi, hayi futhi that name I can easily remember of that school, whatever, sharp, that's it, gone. You imagine what she has done for her real friends. In closure, let's stop going to healers and look for multi to prove a point to others. Let's make sure that whatever that we do it for ourselves. And get the hell away from friends that they want you to remain a drunkard, a drug addict, a baby maker. Stay away from such friends. You can choose friends. Yes, you can choose friends. You can choose friends. Stay away from friends that don't want you to see progressing in life. You don't need Muti to do that. You need to make a decision. On Monday at work, you will be crowded by people calling you, hey, Pagania, hey, nashaya, Pagania, hey, amakhosi ashayile, hey, sintshelile ukuthi amakhosi azobuya ngani, what, with people that don't care about you. Speak small, wara, pass. And you'll thank me later. And one day, the next day you go to a healer, you'll be going to a healer and you'll be talking about things that are important rather than you wanting to bounce back in life to prove a point to people that don't give a damn about you. Salwa sendot. Koko batini batuma kufula kufale mzila mema dot. Till next time. The Pirates gonna win. I hope so. I wish